So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn a 24-piece magic snake into a pair of ducks. And the magic snake that I'm using in this video is a LED light up Smiggle 24-piece snake. So let's see, so what we need to do is we need to be holding the snake so the slope is going this way. And 1, 2, we turn this one towards us. And then we turn it down. 1, 2, 3. We turn this one away from us, and then we turn it up like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one we turn away from us, and then turning the snake like this. 1, 2. This one we turn to the right, and then we turn it down like that. 1, 2. This one we turn upwards like that. 1, 2, 3. This one we turn towards us, and then 1, 2. This one we turn to the left, and then we turn it upwards like that. 1, 2. This one we turn away from us, and then 1, 2, 3. This one we turn towards us. 1, 2. This one we turn towards us, and then we turn it down. 1, 2. This one we turn away from us like that. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. This one we turn towards us, and then we turn it up. 1, 2, 3. This one we turn towards us, and then we turn it down. And there is your pair of ducks. Let's see if we can get any more lights to light up. Thanks for watching.